Hello everyone and welcome to Ends and Math Solutions. Today we'll look at the simplification of rational expressions. A rational expression is an algebraic expression that has the nature of a fraction. That is, there is a numerator and there is a denominator. In the examples here presented, the starting step is the same. We will always look for a common factor that can divide each and every member of the expression. Let's start with the first one. In the first one here, 15x plus 3 divided by 30, the common factor that can divide this member 30, this member 15, this member 3, that common factor is 3. And so this rational expression can be written as 3 into 5x plus 1 all over 30. So that 3 here will cancel here to give 10, and then we'll end up with 5x plus 1 all over 10. This is the simplest form of that expression. We should try to avoid any of the following two errors. We don't get to this level and we say 5 cancel here 1, 5 cancel here 2. That is not possible. With rational expressions of this nature, cancellation is possible only when we can cancel each member of the expression. 5 can cancel here and here, but it cannot cancel there. Also, we should avoid the error to get to this level and say 5x plus 1 and call it 6x. That is not allowed. This is an x term, this is a constant. It's not possible to add an x term to a constant. They are unlike terms. So this is the simplest form of that expression. Now, getting to example 2, here the common factor that can divide each and every member of this expression is w squared, because squared is the smallest or the smaller of the two powers that we have there. And so we'll factor out w squared from the numerator and the denominator to have what we now have here. W squared into w for the numerator, w squared into 1 minus 7w for the denominator. So that clearly we see w squared cancels to finally give us w all over 1 minus 7w as the simplest form of this. Again, remember, don't make the error to get to this level and you say we further cancel w, cancel w. What about this? So it is not possible. This is the simplest form of that expression. Now, in this third exercise, we also should avoid the temptation to get here and start saying something cancels here, something cancels here, something cancels here, something cancels here. That is not allowed with rational expressions that have this nature. Such cancellations are possible only when the operations here are not either addition or subtraction, but multiplication. If we have this multiplied with that, then we can carry out such cancellation. So we'll proceed by looking for common factors. We'll start with the numerator. The common factor here is 3. And so that numerator will be written as 3 into 8 minus 3x. The common factor here is 2. 2 into 3x minus 8. All right. Now, to this level, if we look carefully at the expressions in bracket at the numerator and the denominator, we realize that they all carry the same members but different signs. And so the best way to proceed is to check if one is the negative of the other. And if that is carefully done in this exercise, we'll realize that the numerator is actually negative times 3x minus 8, because if we open out this bracket, we will have that negative times 3x will be negative 3x, negative times negative 8 will be positive 8. And then finally, what do we see? We have 3x minus 8 all over 3x minus 8, which cancels out. And finally, we have this negative sign multiplied to 3 all on 2 to give us our final answer as negative 3 all on 2. Thank you.